Hello guys, in this video we will talk about how to search Wikipedia through Python. For that we need to import Wikipedia. So first of all install the Wikipedia in your system. For that we have to write simply pip install Wikipedia. Let's search something through the Wikipedia. For that we have to simply write wikipedia.search and the word to be searched. Here I written Android phones, but the spelling of the phones is wrong, so it will show a blank array. Right click and run. Yeah. So let's change the word to sorting array. It will show some result of algorithms. Right click array. So here it is. It shows the search result of the sorting algorithms. Now let's try to get summary or meaning of the written word. So for that we have to write print wait print wikipedia dot summary in the parenthesis. Let's search MS Dhoni. I guess it will show some summarize. What? Wikipedia does not know Dhoni. Let's remove the MS. It knows only some keywords. Dhoni, I guess it will work now. It will take some time. Yes, it is. It gives the summary. If you want to have a look only on first two sentences of the summary, so only thing you have to do is add an attribute of name sentences is equals to 2. It will result in only first two sentences of the summary. Right click and run. Yes, it will show only first two sentences. Here one thing is we are importing Wikipedia, so we cannot give the file name as a wikipedia.py. It cannot import itself. If you do so, it will show the circular importing error. So thank you for watching this video.
Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe.